The Green Booklets. Philosophy 6. By Dr. Terry Ronberg. Narrated by Dr. Chad Rolfson. Universal Forces, Innate Energy. Tame a lightning bolt, and you have the innate force contained in the human brain. The universe is filled with natural forms of energy. In fact, astronomers say that the universe was actually created by a burst of energy which predated all matter. The Big Bang Theory is still being debated, but we need no theories to witness the energy at work around us. Wind rushes through the trees, water cascades down the mountain, lightning streaks through the sky, and solar radiation heats our Earth. For the most part, these environmental forces coexist peacefully with all forms of life. At times, however, they demonstrate their magnificent power and destructive potential. The wind increases to hurricane velocity and rips roofs off of houses. Floodwaters carry off buildings and uproot trees. Lightning splits open giant trees and sets off raging fires. Such destruction can seem meaningless, and we often talk about Mother Nature going crazy. But scientists and environmentalists now acknowledge that the devastation has its purpose in the natural scheme of things. A fire started by lightning, for example, is an efficient way to thin a group of trees. When a forest becomes overgrown, the lush vegetation cuts off the sunlight at ground level, making it impossible for new seedlings to grow. The destruction of the fire provides the new generation of trees the light and compost it will need if the forest is to survive. When that same forest is managed by humans, the naturally set fires are often extinguished. Then, these same caretakers deliberately set fires to do the job the extinguished fire would have done. There is a purpose to fires, and to hurricanes, and to floods. There is order to their appearance, and an intelligence to their functioning. The universal intelligence knows that forests need thinning, and using the universal matter available to it to accomplish this. The link which enables the intelligence to use the matter is natural energy, or universal forces. For most of human history, the best we could do was try to stay out of the way of these forces. In modern times, our educated minds have developed means of adapting them for constructive purposes. We build wind-powered generators, hydroelectric plants, irrigation canals, dams, and solar heating panels to harness these energy sources. We've even learned to adapt the electricity showcased in lightning bolts to our purposes. Living things are like microcosms of the universe. We've seen how they are each endowed with a proportion of universal intelligence called innate intelligence. They also possess the specialized version of universal forces, which chiropractors call innate energy. Our innate intelligence takes the universal force of electricity and adapts it for constructive use, just as our educated minds have adapted natural forces. The fact that the human body runs on electricity is well documented. Many medical testing instruments actually record and measure the electrical impulses which are generated, or some say converted from another source, by our brains for use in the human body. There may also be other innate forces at work in our bodies that we have not yet identified, but electricity is one that we have proven to exist. Because innate energy is being adapted in our body by innate intelligence, it can never be destructive. That can only occur in wild, universal forces which have not been tamed by innate intelligence. Also, since it is created and directed by innate intelligence, there is 100% of the innate energy needed by each particular living thing. The energy is needed to impel the cells to function according to the wishes of the intelligence. In nature, matter remains inert until energy is applied. The air and water remain stagnant, and the internal molecule structure of the tree stays stable until energy is applied. Only then do changes occur in the matter which cause motion and function. So it is in the body. The innate intelligence cannot manipulate matter without energy. The muscles cannot expand or contract in accordance with the instructions of innate intelligence unless energy is present. In fact, in the absence of innate energy, the body ceases to function, ceases to live. Innate energy, then, serves as a vital link which enables the intelligence to express itself through matter. The three elements taken together form the triune of life, one of the most important concepts in chiropractic philosophy.